Hi everyone, it's Keith with Arkenberg Farms. As a lot of you are aware of, I'm supposed to be speaking at the Mother Earth News Fair this year. Pretty much have all been canceled. They're still going to try to do the one in September, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not real big on flying around in all this situation right now, but what they have done instead is they started an online course. It's going to be 8 courses consisting of 55 to 60 workshops. They were not exactly sure on the final number at this point. Each course is basically going to be like a stage at the Mother Earth News Fair, where you go to a specific area for a certain topic to be presented to you. Now, there's going to be 8 different stages, and each of those courses at them will have 6 to 8 videos apiece, running from 20 to 30 minutes. As you can see, I'm reading off my script here. We've got the DIY stage, which will be featuring me. I'm going to show you a couple things that I've built around here, and I've also figured out how to do the fin sensor on the CoolBot DIY mock-up I did using the chicken coolers. So that's really neat. I've also got a wire weeder, the new model I've built on there. What else do we got? We got the stand-up dibbler on there as well, and the germination chamber. It's all shot a lot better than the videos I usually do. I actually spent my time to get them going nicely and looking good. Then we've got food independence, we've got livestock, we've got modern homesteading, we've got natural health, organic gardening, practical skills, real food. Now, the trick to this is that each of these courses is going to cost $20. So basically for each section, each stage you go to, is $20. But if you sign up before June 20th, which I realize is in a few days because I've been really busy here and I just haven't had time to announce this, that you can get the whole entire program for just $20. But make sure when you do this, don't go directly to their website. I actually have an affiliate link because each farm that's participating in this gets a little bit of the profit back. So use my affiliate link, which will go to help fund the farm, and I'm going to use all proceeds I receive from this to do something out here. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. It all kind of basically depends on how many people I get to sign up. So right now, go down to the show notes and click on the link below and sign up before June 20th. Otherwise, you'll have to pay a lot more, so you might as well do it now. And it'll be great. They got a lot of good stuff on there I've seen already, so go check it out. Also, working on new t-shirt designs. Here's the old one. So try to get some of those printed up, and we'll be selling those through our farm page, and I'll have a link down below in the future videos I do, but I'll let you all know when those are ready. So thank you all. Hope to see you at the Mother Earth News Fair, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below, and like and share the link that I have in the affiliate code description, or the description for the affiliate code, so you can help support the farm. Thank y'all. Have a good day.